This is a 2005 Forest River Tsunami 39HS, 40 feet in length, has 3 slide outs, has a 20-foot power patio awning, plenty of storage underneath, 22.5 Michelin tires. In the cab, we have a Freightliner chassis with a Cummins diesel engine, Allison transmission, computerized leveling system, the in-dash AM/FM CD DVD player made by Pioneer, also has a monitor. CB radio also. We have 2 leather upholstered captain's chairs made by Flex Steel. Both are 6 away. Above the cab we have a Sony LCD TV with surround sound and DVD player. In the living area, we have tile flooring. We have a leather upholstered sofa. And on the other side, we have a J-Lounge sofa, also leather upholstered. Dinette, leather upholstered and cloth upholstered benches. In the kitchen area, you have tile flooring as well. You have style surface countertops, double sink with a single-handed faucet, separate dispenser for soap, plenty of storage underneath and up top. You have a GE profile convection microwave, and below that you have a dishwasher. The 2 burner range top. More storage. Also have a Norcold 4-door refrigerator and freezer. And the bathroom area, you have tile flooring again. A glass surround shower with a seat and a skylight. And a private room with a toilet and a sink and vanity. Also with a medicine cabinet, towel racks, and storage. Also has a fantastic fan, high volume fan, in both the private room and in the bathroom area. Also in the bathroom area is the washer and dryer combo. In the bedroom you have carpeting, a queen size bed, individual reading lights, over the head storage, plenty of storage throughout the bedroom, dressing mirrors, also in the bedroom, we have a sink and vanity, and medicine cabinet. Again, This is a 2005 Forest River Tsunami 39HS. 40 feet in length, has 3 slide outs. It's a 20-foot power patio awning. Plenty of storage. This unit is available at Charlotte RV and Marine. If you're interested, please call 941-883-5555. We are located on the corner of US 41 and Kings Highway. The stock number for this unit is CO851.